I'm Mike and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to connect some heat up to the Raptor steering wheel. I bought the version with a heating element. I connected the pedal shifters a year and a half ago when I installed the wheel, but never got around to making the heat work. I'm glad I waited because Boosted Greygoose came along. They made the job easy with this plug and play harness. Check them out on the web or on Instagram. Link is in the description. We're going to be removing the airbag, so disconnect the battery first. I used a 3mm Allen T-handle to depress the tabs to remove the airbag. Using a pick or a small screwdriver, carefully disconnect the airbag. Remove the 4 screws that hold the clock spring to the steering column. Be careful not to turn the clock spring. Woo! If you look closely, the clock spring for the heated steering wheel has a second set of connectors. If you bought your clock spring new, it will come with a lock. Remove the lock and install it in your original. This will keep it from unwinding. Remove the support brace under the steering column. Now install the steering wheel heat module using 3 push pins. Remove the steering wheel harness from the package and first attach the ground wire. Now move to the other side of the truck and unlatch the glove box door. I used a wire coat hanger to fish the power wire through the console. Make sure you do this with the battery disconnected so you don't short anything out. Remove the cover on the lower right kick panel to access the body control module. On my truck, pin 16 was not populated. We'll be using it. On some trucks, use pin 15. Now connect the new harness to the clock spring. The temperature sense wires are marked 2 and 3. Pin those to the connector we just disassembled. After cleaning up the wiring, connect up the steering wheel heat module. Reinstall the steering wheel and airbag. The 2018 and newer trucks lack the OBD2 test port. BGG has it covered here with a plug-and-play harness. Now connect the test port to the steering wheel heat harness. Now it's time to do some FORScan programming. Now we have to enable the steering heat button and the climate quadrant on the APIM. I've already installed an auto climate front center interface module on the truck, so it wasn't necessary to reset this value. Here we set the temperature to the lowest value for the steering wheel heat module. This was plenty warm enough. Now you see we have a climate page and a heated steering wheel button on the home page. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell too. You can also follow me on Instagram @StupidFastTruck. Thanks for watching and have a great day.